India buying was established in 2009, and since then we have emerged as a reputed manufacturer and exporter of various kinds of wooden metal Indian furniture, handicrafts and decorative. Our products are crafted with utmost precision and perfection. As a result, every item coming out of our manufacturing units displays elegance, creativity, and excellent craftsmanship work. Our factories are equipped with state-of-the-art infrastructure and latest technology. This, when combined with our skilled craftsmen, generates perfection in products. The finished goods are well packed and kept within